Hi, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be learning how to play Pictureka. To set up, arrange the game tiles in a 3x3 square. Shuffle each deck and place them face down near the center of play. Give each player a reference card, and now you're ready to learn how to play. The objective of the game is to collect 6 cards by completing their objectives. The youngest player goes first. Play then proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll the dice. Draw a card matching the dice color. If the card has the switch icon, switch the positions of any 2 tiles. If it has a flip icon, flip over any tile. And if it has the rotate icon, rotate any tile. If you draw a green card, read the card aloud and roll the die. The number on the die is how many of the things on your card you need to find. You will need to flip the timer and start looking. If you find enough things before the timer runs out, you get to keep the card. Otherwise, return the card to the bottom of the deck. If you draw a blue card, everyone competes. Flip the card and show it to everyone. The first player to find it, point out and shout "Pictureka" gets to keep the card. And if you draw a red card, before flipping it, everyone bets on how many objects they think they can find in 30 seconds. The player that bid the highest number then flips the card and the sand timer and has to find the number of things before the time elapses. If they manage to find enough, they get to keep the card. Otherwise, they return the card to the bottom of the deck and lose one of their earned cards if they have already owned one. The play proceeds to the next player on your left. The first player to gather 6 cards wins. And that's how you play Pictureka. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.